Hi everybody. This is the first conference we have attended in online mode, I think so. Though we missed many things like food and all, but it is also I enjoyed a lot. Being a organizing member, uh, it gives immense pleasure. I have interacted with first year students, like they worked a lot, and also we have interacted with our seniors also. Now there is no fear with all the guys, and also we had a good time with all the faculties. Now I had all the contacts of all the faculties. This is what I experienced. Thank you.
Wait. Taking.
Now I will hand over this mic to our anchor Geetu. Like we would like to know how she feels about this conference. Okay.
Thank you, Srinivas. And, I feel happy to be a part of this, even though I came only one day before the conference. These people made me a part of this, and also this is the first time I'm anchoring, and it's a great pleasure and a great opportunity, I think so.
And say a few words in Malayalam.
ഇത് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാനിങ്ങനെ ആങ്കർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷം തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത എല്ലാവർക്കും ഭയങ്കര വലിയൊരു താങ്ക്സ് പറയാനുണ്ട്. ഇനി അടുത്തതായി നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഐ വുഡ് ലൈക്ക് ടു ഹാൻഡ് ഓവർ ദിസ് മൈക്ക് ടു ജയചിത്ര മാം.
Wait.
First year representatives and who worked most in this conference is none other than Vigneshwaran. I am handing to him. Say a few words about your experience.
Actually, I like to thank the organizers because it's the first time for me to handle this international conference. I have participated many, but I have not coordinated in any part of the conference. It gives many experience. I feel like it's easy to interact with seniors for me. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Hand over to our senior coordinator.
Yeah, now you are the senior.
Okay, thank you. It was a nice experience. Actually, we have a good. Actually, it was a nice experience. We have a good contact with our seniors as well as the faculty members. In a short span of time, we have even within ourselves we have some chemistry within the members. So. Actually, it was a good experience for all of us. Thank you.
Give me. Now I will hand over the mic to oral coordinator Dayanand sir to speak a few words about this conference.
Very hard. We have done most of the work before this conference, and after that we are quite comfortable with online conference. I felt like a virtual conference is better than offline conference, but only thing we should have 200% effort before the conference. So that's the main thing what I observed in this virtual conference. And we scholars, I really should thank all the scholars, including me also. I should grade myself. We done our effort physically, mentally, and the last stretch of the moment while before sending the participant link and everything. So it's a nice memories and a special thing I want to share with freshers. We don't have any interaction for past 6 months. But within 2 days, 3 days, we have much interaction. We have almost covered those 6 months which we missed juniors, and really very thankful not to be like new people and all fine. And at the last moment, one person has taken an easy ticket and joined in the used to easy call ticket used to take and train. One person has joined our group like Geetu. Like welcome to the part of the group. But really, forgive me for giving a wonderful lunch for you. And that I called yesterday. I thought of to give differently, but it was missed. But things will happen in a crowd or in all in a meeting, no. So we should take and we should not take it to the heart. I will compensate with something either today or the next week. Okay, thank you.
Then like the most welcome speech by first year student Durga Devi. And we would like to ask her to speak a few words in Tamil also. Okay.
Mute only.
Yeah. Okay.
In this conference, have so many experience for
I
me
know.
because first time I anchored in my college. I didn't do that one. It was my first experience. It was good, and my first year scholars have connected with the seniors. It was very nice experience. Then it was good. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது தமிழ்லேயே சொல்லிட்டேன். We faced a lot of troubles in starting the conference, but it was somewhat experience. Got the experience. It was nice, and my special thanks to Neerajana and Vigneshwaran because அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் இல்லைன்னா அது பண்ணியிருக்க முடியாது. So happy.
Okay. I will introduce Meera to share her experiences about this conference.
Hi. Actually, they informed me only 4 days before only they have informed me as a student coordinator. First, I thought it will be very pressure, but opposite to that, I enjoyed a lot. We got the food and snacks, everything on time, and coordinating and anchoring also. It was the first time, that too in NIT Tiruchi. I feel somewhat proud for being a student coordinator. அதே மாதிரி எல்லாரும் கூட இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. நிறைய புது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எனக்கு கிடச்சிருக்காங்க இந்த கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் மூலமாக. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நான் நிறைய ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ் கூடயும் நான் நல்லா பேசுகிறதுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸாக இருந்தது. வெரி மெமரபிள் அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் வெரி நைஸ். I enjoyed a lot with the 2 days.
Ask Rajshekhar to share his experience about this conference. Okay.
Now today date is 13/3/2021. The time is 7 p.m. Conference over.
Yeah. Apart from that, we got we whole team as an organizing team. We have worked 24/7, 1 week completely before conference. Okay.
We need to thank to all the organizers, especially Atti, who is making the video.
Okay.
And we used to get nice snacks every
Same fine.
Okay, thank you. Namaste.
Okay,
Jai
thank
Hind.
you. Say once again.
Welcome.
అందరికి నమస్కారం.
Namaskaram.
Vanakkam.
Namaskar.
The conference was very good.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ చాలా బాగుంది.
Conference വളരെ നന്നായിരുന്നു.
Conference ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு.
एक कॉन्फ्रेंस अच्छा था.
Conference food is very nice.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఆహారం చాలా బాగుంది.
കോൺഫറൻസിൽ നല്ല ഭക്ഷണമാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നത്.
Conference சாப்பாடு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
मिलके खाना अच्छा था.
Which language?
Conference timings are perfect.
What? Once again.
Conference timings are perfect.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ షెడ్యూల్ ఇస్
Hey, Telugu.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్
Yeah, conference is okay.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ షెడ్యూల్
Time, samayam.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ సమయం పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా మెయింటైన్ చేశారు.
Okay.
കോൺഫറൻസ് ഞങ്ങൾ കൃത്യസമയത്ത് തന്നെ തുടരുകയും അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു.
கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் நேரம் எல்லாம் கரெக்டா அந்த டைம்க்கு நடந்தது.
கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் சரியான நேரத்தில் நடத்தப்பட்டது.
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ क्या बोलता है
कॉन्फ्रेंस का टाइमिंग सही था. सब अच्छा हुआ.
Okay.
Next. Say anything. 2 days we enjoyed a lot. ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ വളരെ നന്നായി ആഘോഷിച്ചു സന്തോഷിച്ചു
எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக இருந்தது நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம்
2 दिन सब अच्छा था
తెలుగు చెప్పు బాగా ఎంజాయ్
కాన్ఫరెన్స్ వి ఎంజాయ్ లాట్ సారీ బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో. బై బై బై.